There was a time when I stayed quiet in English conversations, not because I had nothing to say, but because I was afraid of saying it wrong. I waited for perfect English, but conversations don't wait. What changed everything was learning confident sentences, sentences that buy time, show control, and stop panic. Let me show you.
So, what do you want to eat?
Let me think for a second. Everyone looks at you. You feel the pressure. The menu is big. You're not ready. Let me think for a second. You look at the menu again.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I think I'll have the grilled chicken. Why this works. You didn't freeze. You didn't rush. You stayed calm. That small pause tells others, I'm calm. I'm in control. Say it with confidence. Your total is higher today because the prices changed last week. Oh, I see what you mean. The price of vegetables went up, right? Why this works. You acknowledge the explanation. You stay calm and confident. You keep the conversation going. Even if you're surprised, this sentence shows understanding, not weakness. Say it clearly, I see what you mean.
Do you think social media is actually good for us? Everyone looks at you, waiting for your opinion. You're not sure yet. That's a good question. You pause and think. I think it depends on how we use it. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't.
Excuse me, do you know where the library is?
You want to help, but you're not 100% sure. I'm not sure, but I think it's near the main building, next to the cafeteria. Why this works. You're honest. You still help. You sound clear and confident.
Do you think this sweater will shrink after washing? From my experience, darker colors don't shrink much, but lighter ones sometimes do. Why this works? You don't need difficult English. You speak from real life. People listen.
So, you don't want me to play games at all?
Wait, what I mean is, you can play after dinner, not right now. Why this works. She fixed the misunderstanding calmly. No shouting. No argument. The sentence saved the moment. Why are you going home so early today?
Because if I leave now, the roads will be empty and I'll reach home faster.
That makes sense. You don't want to get stuck on the road.
Miss, I don't understand present perfect tense. I'm really confused.
Okay, let me explain. We use the present perfect to talk about something that happened in the past but is still important now. For example, I have finished my homework. Why this works. The teacher takes control of the conversation. She sounds calm and confident. She guides the student step by step. The soup is almost ready. Should we add more salt?
I'd like to add something. Maybe a little black pepper and garlic. It will give more flavor.
Why this works? He share his idea confidently. No interruption, no apology. His idea is heard. Confidence in English is not about knowing every word. It's about knowing what to say when your mind goes blank. Start using these sentences today, one conversation at a time. Comment below which sentence will change your English the most. Subscribe for real English that works in real life.